Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and I am a homeschool mom of 4. I also teach VIP Kid and I love to share my world with you. Today we are doing an unboxing video. I have gotten the curriculum from IEW and I'm super excited to open it up and see what we've got inside. We have really been struggling this school year with our writing curriculum. Sorry guys, I knocked the camera off the table. We've really been struggling with our homeschool writing curriculum this year. We were doing Writing with Ease and that was just not a good fit for our family. So we've chosen to begin IEW. Now, we are opening this box for the first time. I have not looked in here at all. I have my purchase order, which is my receipt for the curriculum. And then I have this tools to further enrich your IEW experience. Very cool. Okay. So this talks about, it has newsletters and webinars, forums, blogs, Arts of Language podcast. Awesome. I love podcasts. Magazine, Facebook, accreditation, and online classes. Very cool. Awesome. Okay, so in the box there is this one big box. So this is the box that's come in the box. I will get rid of this big brown box and now, aha, you can see me again. Let's get rid of the glare. Awesome. So I did purchase the year 1 level A because my children have never done this curriculum before. I am going to use this with my 4th and my 5th grader. My 1st grader does plenty of writing when we do our All About Reading and our All About Spelling. So here is this curriculum. Let's open it up and take a look at what we've got. Okay, let's see. Got my trusty knife. Very good. Is it just me or is it super satisfying to get new curriculum? I remember even as a child, I used to love the smell of the new books at the beginning of every school year. It was my favorite part of school every year, was just smelling the new books and everything being brand new. Oh, I love that part of homeschooling. It's my favorite. Oh, okay. So it does have a sticker on the bottom here. So let's open that without, all right. So now we've got that open. So let's give it a look. So I've got that open. Now I'm going to open the lid. And there are some loose papers at the very top, which has how to set up and prepare your student materials. So I'll read through this in just a moment. And it also has a paper here that has your unique activation code on it. I'm not going to show it to you because it's got my unique activation code on it. And then inside, there is the student binder. Very good. Then there's some bubble tape, or bubble paper, bubble wrap. My kids will love this. I'll have 3 kids fighting over bubble wrap, possibly the 4th if they don't wait until, or if they wait until my high schooler gets home. So now I am just going to open this according to here and pull the binder out. Now I have 2 students doing this year, so I will actually have to make another binder. I'll have to use this. Probably what I will do is I will keep this as my master copy and I will make 2 more binders. So when my youngest gets to be in 3rd, 4th, 5th, whatever grade it is that I feel that she's ready to use this curriculum, I'll have the original to be able to use with her. Okay, so when I open this binder, the binder is very well made, by the way. You can tell that it is of a higher quality. And it's got some nice pictures all the way around. It isn't open on the top, so you can't slide the papers in and out of it. So the first thing I notice when I open up the binder are 2 loose leaf things in the binder. So let's take a look at them. The first is the student packet with all of the papers in it. I love that they do this and they don't already have it in there for you, because I am literally going to take this and stick it in my copier and copy it. It does have a little tear on the top in the cellophane where the edge kind of cut through the paper, but it doesn't seem any worse for the weary. And it has all of the pages that you would need for the student binder. It does have some colored paper in there. So, oh, these look like adverb lists. I need yellow, you need pink, and it looks like light blue. I think I already have those, so we should be okay. Very nice. Then it has this second coiled book. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is the teacher's manual. Perfect. So I won't need to photocopy this teacher's manual at all. This is just for me. Excellent. Very good. So I am going to read through this. I'm assuming that I would take all of this paperwork for the student notebook and probably put it in the back of the binder and use it as I need it. We'll see. The binder also comes with these tabs. And the tabs say source text, model charts, work in process, and finished compositions. Perfect. Then there's another set after that that says stylistic techniques, banned words, punctuation and usage, and documentation. Very nicely done. Well done. All right, let's see. In the back, there is some blank paper, it looks like. It looks like 11 by 17. Let's check it out. Yep, just some blank 11 by 17 paper. So that's easy enough to get. Very nice. Very, very nice. Excellent. I am super excited to start this curriculum. So I will be doing a follow-up video. Maybe in 30 days I'll do a follow-up video to see kind of how it's going. And I'll let you guys know kind of what I think and how it's working for our kiddos. Now remember, one of my kiddos is diagnosed with dyslexia, and the other one who will be doing this program is not. So I can also give an update as far as how my child who has dyslexia is faring with this curriculum, as well as how my student who is neurotypical is dealing with this curriculum as well. Okay, I appreciate you checking out this video. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. It really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel so that you'll get notified when I do the update on how this curriculum is working for us. Okay? Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.